Yes, that's the sound of heavy equipment. Early in the morning here at League Park, you can hear the diesel engines clearing the ground, getting ready to restore League Park in the Huff neighborhood. Fantastic accomplishment here. The city has made a tremendous commitment. The community, everybody is excited about what's going to happen here at League Park. Home plate is going to be exactly where home plate was back when League Park was built. Same place that Babe Ruth hit his 500th home run. It won't be long until this expanse of dirt will become an active ball field.